Saving money is an important financial goal that can help you achieve financial stability and reach your long-term financial objectives. Here are some tips on how to save money. Number 1, create a budget. Start by understanding your income and expenses. Create a monthly budget that outlines your income and all your expenses like rent, mortgage, utilities, and transportation. Number 2, track your expenses. Keep track of every expense, no matter how small, for a month or longer. This will help you identify areas where you can cut back. Number 3, set saving goals. Determine what you're saving for. Whether it's an emergency fund, a vacation, a home, kids' education, or retirement, having specific goals can motivate you to save. Number 4, automate savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account. This way, you'll save money without having to think about it. Number 5, cut unnecessary expenses. Review your spending habits and identify areas where you can cut back. This might include eating out less, canceling unused subscriptions. Number 6, shop smart. Look for deals, use coupons, and compare prices before making purchases. Consider buying generic or store brand products when possible. Number 7, reduce housing costs. Housing is often one of the biggest expenses, if possible. Consider downsizing or finding a more affordable place to live. Number 8, save windfalls. Whenever you receive unexpected money, such as a tax refund or a bonus, consider saving a portion of it rather than spending it all. Number 9, cook at home. Eating out can be expensive. Cooking meals at home is generally cheaper and healthier. Number 10, avoid impulse purchases. When you're tempted to buy something on a whim, wait 24 hours before making the purchase. You may find that you don't really need it. Number 11, use financial apps. There are numerous apps and online tools that can help you track your spending, save, and invest more effectively. Number 12, invest wisely. Once you have some savings, consider investing in assets like stocks, bonds, or real estate to potentially grow your wealth over time.